Good morning. Back at a site that we've shown you on a recent video before Christmas. We're just coming down to spot check it, make sure everything's how it should be. We've spoken to the clients, they're very happy with the work that's been done, but we also need to be happy with the work that's been done. The difference between us looking at it and the client looking at it is we know what we're looking for. I want to make sure all the algae's gone off of the building. As I say, they're happy with it, but we want to make sure we are too. And my directors will see the video at the end, so if they spot anything that I haven't spotted, then it's my arse on the line. So yeah, it's looking good. Absolutely no algae left on this side of the building. I did just notice what I thought was going to be a little stain of algae, but closer inspection, it's actually a little bit of bird poo. So I'll get the lads to go across that with a water-fed pole before we leave. But obviously we've done this side, and the side round the corner here we've done before Christmas, so it's given the birds plenty of time to hit the side of the building. So yeah, we'll get that removed, but everything I've seen so far is looking good. They've done a good job. So we've had a walk round, very happy with the work that the lads have done. As I said, the customers are happy with it as well, and already were before I came. But it's, I suppose, a bit of aftercare. We like them to know that we care about the work we're doing as well, and we want to leave a good job, and not just yeah, it looks all right. We want it to look good, and it does. So there'll be a drink waiting for the lads back at the office later. They've done a very good job down here, so well done to Martin and Paul. Craig was down here for the first part of the job, so fair play to Craig as well. Yeah, you got any requirements for big cladding cleans, warehouse work, any external cleaning you need doing, we'll come and we'll come and do it, and we'll do a good job. Thank you.